Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit the product page on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find two options: create a new folder and also create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your sites. Here you're going to find the option to select and edit site. So just hover your mouse over the site you want to edit and then click on it. And then you're going to be right here. So as you can see guys, right now the dashboard is loading. And then this is how the dashboard looks like. So right now, go to the left side of your screen. And then right here, you're going to find all of the sections: setup, home, getting paid, and so on. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site. And then this will take you to this page right here. So just wait for the page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for your Wix website. So basically, guys, once you're here, in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your website. For example, if you go to add elements right here, you can literally add anything that you want. You can add a text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, and so on. And right now I'm going to go back and then we're going to go to the product page. So this is basically the product page. You can just click on it right here. And then if you want to manage your products, just give it a click and then you can click on manage products right here. And then this will take you to this page right here. So right here, as you can see, guys, you can manage your products. You can add a new products. You can also edit your products from here. Just click on edit product and then you're going to be right here in this page. So once you're here, as you can see, guys, you can edit the name, description, add pictures. You can also change the pricing if you want. And once you finish, just click on save and all of your changes will be saved. Once you finish customizing your sites, you can just click on publish and then it will be live. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.